Hey, it's me, Steve WB, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to be talking about, is the DJI Osmo Pocket able to be used as a studio camera in 2020? Now, for low budget people like myself who don't have a lot of money to buy all the latest and greatest cameras, and really even if I did, I wouldn't at this point in my YouTube career, the cameras that we have work just fine. So what I want to show you in today's video is, can you use an Osmo Pocket at $350 as a studio cam as well as a everyday outside compact pocket camera? And what I'm going to compare that to is the Panasonic Lumix G7, which I know that's not a newer camera, but it does shoot 4K 60. But for this test and the purposes for today, the footage today is going to be compared at 1080p and 24 frames a second. I'm just trying to compare a pocket camera to a better, higher performing camera, and that way we can compare the difference and see if you can get away with using the Osmo Pocket as a studio cam. Okay, so this is the Panasonic Lumix G7. The camera is probably like 5 years old. You can get them now for around $300 to $500 depending on the lens that you get. And this is the camera that I normally use in studio. I'm sitting at my desk. I just moved across the house, so everything's kind of messed up, and I really don't have a good background set up to make a good comparison. So you just have to go off of how good this looks, and we all know that it never really looks that great. So what do you think of the Lumix G7? Okay, so this is the DJI Osmo Pocket. It is set at 24 frames a second at 1080p. I'm shooting in 1080 because that's usually what you're going to see on YouTube, or even a lower resolution. How does this compare to the Lumix G7? Can this pocket camera be used indoors as well as outdoors? Let me know what you think about the DJI Osmo Pocket. Okay, so that's going to be it for our comparison. Which one did you think looked better, the Lumix G7 or the DJI Osmo Pocket? And now, just for the record, the Lumix G7 used the Rode Video Micro, and then on the Osmo Pocket, I used the Rode Wireless Go. And just drop a comment down below which one you think performed better, the Osmo Pocket or the Lumix. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.